Attention tech enthusiasts. We have some exciting news about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Flip 5. Our sources have leaked some juicy details about the device that we can't wait to share with you. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. First up, we have some leaked images that give us a closer look at the design of the Galaxy Flip 5. As expected, the device will feature a folding screen that allows users to switch between a compact smartphone and a larger tablet-like display. The device will reportedly be available in several different colors, including black, silver, and purple. Next, let's talk about the camera. The Galaxy Flip 5 is rumored to feature a triple camera setup, with a 64-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. This should allow for some truly stunning photos and videos. But the real star of the show is, of course, the foldable display. The Galaxy Flip 5 is said to feature a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen that can fold in half, making it easy to carry around in your pocket. And when you want to use it as a tablet, simply unfold it and enjoy the larger screen size. Lastly, we have some details about the battery and charging capabilities of the Galaxy Flip 5. It's said to feature a 3300 mAh battery, which may not sound like a lot, but should still provide plenty of juice for most users. And when it's time to charge up, the device will reportedly support 15W fast charging and wireless charging. And there you have it, folks. Those are the currently available leaks about the Samsung Galaxy Flip 5. Of course, these are just rumors for now, so take them with a grain of salt. But if they turn out to be accurate, the Galaxy Flip 5 could be one of the most exciting devices of the year. So stay tuned for more updates as we get them.
By the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which is yet to see the light of day officially. Supposedly, there won't be an Exynos version of the Z Flip 5.